The skin is already moisturized. To minimize the appearance of pores and control oil, I use the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer on my T-zone. This creates a smooth, blurring finish. To neutralize dark spots and hyperpigmentation, I use the NARS Creamy Color Corrector, placing it only on areas where I have spots or discoloration, and blend it out. Then apply a concealer a shade lighter to the center of the face. This is the Lancome All Over Concealer. Next, we are going to use a concealer a shade darker around the perimeter of the face. This is going to give a similar effect to what you would get using a bronzer, but more natural looking with coverage. Concealers are thicker than foundation and tend to dry faster, so it's good to use a hydrating spray before blending it out. It helps to make it easier. Blending out the center of the face first, then the outer section. To warm up the face, I used the NARS Laguna bronzer. Apply it around the perimeter of the face, around the hairline, on the cheekbone, and the jawline. The sides of the nose. Color to the cheeks, I use a Patrick Ta blush duo. I use the cream section. And if you want the center of the face a tad bit brighter, dot a concealer 2 shades lighter under the eyes, forehead, on the nose bridge, sides of the mouth, and on the chin, and blend. This helps to brighten up your features. Next, we are going to set the center of the face with translucent powder. Right before setting under the eyes, use your beauty sponge to remove any creasing and set immediately with powder. To set the rest of the face, I use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Warm Sun. To add more color to the cheeks, I use L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Blush in shade Fearless Coral. Filling in the brows with Benefit Brow Pencil. And set the brow hairs with Benefit Brow Wax. Using powder bronzer all over the eyelid. Using the same bronzing powder along the side of the nose bridge and blend it into the brows. Then use MAC Embrace eyeshadow to create a smudge wing. Smudging the outer section of the lower lash line using same color. and blend it together with powder bronzer. Coat lashes with Maybelline Firework Mascara. Using Euphoria Artistry lashes to add extra volume. First, I apply glue to the lash line using our lash adhesive pen. Then apply the lashes. Adding mascara to the lower lashes. I completed the lips with a dark brown liner and the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in shade Work For It 140. And Maybelline Lifter Gloss in shade Amber. And then add powder highlighter to the high points of the face. To lock the makeup in place, I used the Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. This keeps the makeup in place for up to 16 hours with a matte finish. And that's it, a full coverage, no foundation look that is flawless. If this makeup routine was helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more makeup tutorials. Please provide me with your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.